Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. The President of the United States, or his designated representative, will be speaking shortly. Stand by.
Good evening. I am speaking on the behalf of President Joe Biden, who is being transported to an undisclosed location. It is with a heavy heart to announce the possible extinction of the human race. At 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, reports have come in that a volcanic eruption has occurred in the island of Santorini, Greece. The number of casualties and the extent of the damage are not yet known. Scientists believe that this eruption is one of the most violent phenomena in human history, releasing as much energy as 10,000 nuclear detonations. Tons of ash has been released into the atmosphere, which will reflect incoming sunlight back into space. Global cooling of at least 3 degrees will occur. Plants will stop photosynthesizing and will die, which will cause mass extinction, food chain depletion and starvation. Food supplies will dwindle and people will die. It is likely that criminal gangs and terrorist groups will be founded, who will raid buildings and murder civilians for access to food. The United States government has requested all civilians to do the following. 1. Build an inner refuge in your house, in an interior room of a sturdy building. This is to defend yourself from criminals. 2. Do not exit your shelter without an essential reason. Martial law is in effect, and a curfew is in place. Exiting without an essential reason will lead to arrest. All criminal activity is prohibited, and is subject to execution. 3. Limits will be set on the amount of food, medical supplies and water civilians will purchase, based on the number of members in your household. 4. Gather provisions of food, water, medical supplies and clothing to last at least 14 days, as well as a battery-powered radio with spare batteries. Use as little food, water and energy as possible. My fellow Americans, it is very unfortunate that millions will most likely die. It is inevitable that many will die, but we will come back stronger than ever. The President has promised this. Good luck, and stay safe.